Hello, everybody. Our lesson today is about dinner time. Before we start, let's watch the following video and try to guess what our lesson is about today.
Eating out. First, you ask for assistance.
Excuse me. Can we order?
Yes, of course. What would you like?
I'd like fish and chips. I'd like beef, cabbage and potatoes, please.
I'd like roast chicken, peas and roast potatoes.
I'd like a Caesar salad.
Would you like bread?
Yes, bread for everyone, please.
Right. Anything to drink? A Coke, please.
I'd like orange juice, please. I'll have the same, please. I'd like mineral water.
After having a main course, it's time for dessert. What would you like for dessert? I'd like apple crumble and vanilla ice cream.
I'll have the same, please.
Nothing for me. Finally, you ask for the bill. Don't forget, bill is British English. Jack is American English.
Could you bring us the bill, please?
Certainly. That's £9.75 altogether.
Here you are, £10.
Thanks.
After watching this video, I hope you have guessed what our lesson is about today. It's about food and drinks and eating out. Our objectives are to learn about food and drinks, to identify at least 10 words related to food and drinks, to review countable and uncountable nouns. Do you like food? Which food do you like to start with? Here is a sample of a restaurant menu. You can find it in your book in Unit 7A. Look at this menu and go through it. As you can see, the menu has starters, soups, main courses, snacks, desserts, and drinks. Starters. Can you give examples of starters? What about salad? Chicken salad. Or spring rolls. Do you know what is inside? Maybe cheese, maybe chicken, maybe vegetable. What about tuna salad? And what about your main course? Now it's time, after you finish the starter, you start with your main course. Have you ever tried fried eggs? Or roasted chicken? or steaks with onions. And finally, it's time for your desserts. Can you guess what this is? This is ice cream. Or you can have a fruit salad, or pancake. Finally, what do you like to drink? There are many options for the drink. First, you can have just mineral water, or a can of Pepsi, or any type of juice. Which starters do you like? Do you know any other starters? As we can see, you can have chicken salad, spring rolls, tuna salad. For the main course, you can have roasted chicken, fried eggs, or steaks with onions. And your desserts, you can have ice cream, fruit salad, or pancakes. It's time for the worksheet. Look at this question carefully and answer it in your notebook. How can you eat the following foods? Potatoes. How do you like to have potatoes? Chicken. How do you like to cook chicken? Fish, rice, steak, eggs, beef, beans, pie. There are many ways you can have these food. You can have them roasted, grilled, you can eat them raw, baked, boiled, or fried. Here is an example in front of you. Potatoes can be roasted, grilled, boiled, or fried. What about chicken? Do you like to have chicken fried, roasted? You can write more examples in your notebook using the words given. That's it for our dinner time. Now let's have something about countable and uncountable nouns. Please open your book, page 67, Unit 7A. In this part, you will be able to explain what a countable and uncountable noun is. Most students will be able to identify countable and uncountable nouns. Can you remember what a noun is? What do we mean by noun? A noun is a person, a place, or a thing. Look at this picture and try to identify countable and uncountable nouns. Some nouns are uncountable and some of them are countable. Countable nouns like eggs, banana, olive, fries, burger, hot dog, apple, carrots, etc. Uncountables like milk, flour, salt, sugar, jam, meat, etc. Countable nouns means the nouns that we can count. So we can, for example, have a lemon, one apple, and in the plural case, we add s. We can say lemons, apples. Another examples of countable nouns, we can say one pen, two pens, three pens. Now we come to uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns that we don't use s with them in plural. We cannot or do not count them. like milk, meat, sugar, etc. Here are some examples of uncountable like water, milk, and sugar. Now, let's classify these pictures under countable or uncountable nouns. We have two columns. Eggs are countable. Again, another exercise on how to classify countable or uncountable nouns. Let's see. So we have rice, this is uncountable. Egg, it's countable. Water, uncountable. Onion, this is countable. Now, can you classify the nouns into countable or uncountable? Look at the words carefully. You have 1 minute to write C for countable and U for uncountable in front of the words. You have an answer key given. I hope you have finished. Now you can look at the answer key given below. Correct for yourself and give a mark to yourself. Here is another example. You can stop the video and start answering this activity in your book, in your notebook. You have the words of the pictures given below the picture. Now, open your student book, page 67, and do exercise 6 in your notebook. Today we have learned some words of food and drinks, the difference between countable and uncountable nouns. That's it for today. Thank you for your time and good luck.